Okay, you have an awesome product or brilliant idea, but now you wanted to present to the world and watch your sales skyrocket. But how do you do that? Creating a website or presentation with just text and pictures isn't going to help you at all, because no one has the time to sit and read, and everyone loves to watch videos now. And that's where we come in. We create amazing explainer videos, just like this one, that allows you to capture your customer attention in a way that's quick, powerful, and create real conversion. But how effective are these videos? 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. Visuals are processed 60,000 times faster than text, and website visitors spend more time on pages with videos on them. Video helps improve the SEO of your company and makes your company look fresh, fun, engaging, and they are easy to share on social media. Our team will produce videos that will rock and affordable at the same time. Let us be your secret weapon for making the best explainer video on the web. Contact us to know more and get started today.